Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your research with ResearchGate, complete guide step by step clearly. Creating an account on ResearchGate is the first step in scaling your research. Visit the ResearchGate website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the necessary fields with your name, email address, and password. Verify your email to activate your account. Once you're logged in, complete your profile with your academic background and research interests. Adding a profile picture helps make your profile more appealing to visitors. Next, upload your publications to increase visibility. You can do this by clicking on the Add New button and selecting the appropriate publication type. Make sure to include a brief description and relevant keywords to enhance discoverability. Engaging with the community is essential for scaling your research. Follow other researchers in your field to stay informed about their work. You can also join relevant projects and participate in discussions. Utilizing ResearchGate's Q&A feature allows you to ask questions and share insights. This interaction can lead to collaborative opportunities. Promoting your work is crucial for reaching a wider audience. Share links to your ResearchGate profile on social media and professional networks. Consider creating updates to notify your followers about new publications or ongoing projects. Use ResearchGate's metrics to track the impact of your work. Monitor how often your papers are downloaded or cited to assess engagement. Connecting with researchers worldwide opens up potential collaborations. Reach out to colleagues or researchers whose work aligns with yours. Participating in ResearchGate's community discussions can strengthen these connections. Regularly updating your profile with new research and milestones maintains engagement. This ensures that your network stays informed about your latest achievements. Make the most of ResearchGate's analytics tools to understand your audience better. This data can guide your research focus and outreach strategies. Scaling your research on ResearchGate is an ongoing process. Stay active, engage with your peers, and continuously share your work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.